So, so we are out here at Marcy's property again, and thanks Marcy for helping. You saw in our last video, up somewhere up there, it was about, what did we do last time? I forgot.
We did a lot. We put this whole thing on, the whole
Oh yeah, the reseat. That's what you did,
Yeah,
and that's what we're
did.
sitting on actually.
Yeah.
Good reminder, segue. So she will help me today with the installation or removal of the lights, the LED set. We'll install the Deluxe Light kit, which will fit the EZGO RXV. They say 2015 and older, but according to online, it's already able to be installed on 28 and older. So let me show what's in the box and how that works. And this video will cover not only what's in the box, we'll also cover the installation itself. So let's get everything out first. Okay, so I didn't pack everything out here. It's just too much. But you can see what this will do is basically it provides you the front LED with blinker integrated and the rear with brake pad integration as well as a horn and the blinker itself. And of course the wiring harness, there we go, as well. And that means you will have a street legal golf cart at the end if you want to. Of course, you might not need the blinker or the horn, stuff like that, if you don't want to have it driving on street legal area. But in this case, I want to have it. I wanted to make sure that we have everything we need so we could make it street legal if we want to. And of course I want to contact a couple other things like additional lights, but that's in a different video. This one is purely about the Deluxe Light kit. Here in the picture you see that's everything what it's included. Of course it's an entire set. It's not only the few parts I put out because everything else is still in box, but that's what we'll install today. There will also be some trimming or cutting needed in the frame, as you can see here on the top picture. Just the cutouts for the lights. And we'll do that step by step so you know and understand at the end of this video how to do that if you want to do that as well, and if this kit fits your EZGO as well. So let's continue with the installation itself, which is, you know, a little bit more work, but it will be paying off, I'm pretty sure, because we will have light at the end and we'll be able to drive in the dark a little bit more. And this video is also sponsored. Thank you for providing the product. I'll make the installation video and I'll have to keep this at the end. I will not take it out. I will be able to use it in the golf cart, and I will, if there's any question, be able to answer those questions, give you a long-term, also testimonial kind of thing. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see anything else and have additional questions. If not, we'll continue with the installation. And by the way, if you want to follow those upgrades I'm doing at the moment for the EZGO RXV from 2010, that's my golf cart electric, feel free to subscribe to the channel. There's more to follow and there will be a lot of more videos coming out. There's an entire series just about a golf cart at the moment, so stay tuned. And we'll start, as I mentioned, with removing everything what's in here. And you can see now, if we come here, and you can see we have those old rear lights which you want to remove because you see they faded, they're not connected, but it should be a direct fit. So we are lucky. So we don't have to use their template because we are in the lucky position that we can just remove those. The front we have to cut out, and we'll use a Dremel and we'll show you step by step. Here we'll just remove those with the Phillips screws and install new ones. So that's what you're doing first, and then we'll do the heavy lifts afterwards.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. Oh.
Nice.
Nice wiring.
That looks good. So that's the old one. Obviously we have to clean it. This is the new one, and you see it comes with those nice easy connectors, and that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we are just able to install those as they are, and it should be a direct fit. So we are having new installation hardware for this as well, included in the Deluxe Light kit, just for the rear.
It's nice to have the new screws.
And it makes it very nice new. Hopefully.
I'm gonna need a screwdriver.
Oh, I think it's way up higher. It's up there. So we'll just drill new holes.
Okay, so this one will fit.
We'll continue with the Plagol brand Deluxe Light kit, and we need to basically cut out the template, and I have Marcy again helping me with that. And then we'll cut it out first. This is for the front driver side, and then can flip it for the passenger side. But we need to cut it out. Then we can also inside cutting out, and then we can trace basically with a Sharpie or whatever where it needs to be cut. And that's according to the instructions, which I was hiding. Step 4, by the way, scissors and tape. That's the next step. So I think, yep, perfect. We have everything here.
Gaffer's tape is nice because you can remove it easily.
So yeah, we'll cut it, and then we'll do the tracing and everything, and then we'll do what is it? We'll be using a rotary tool today, so hopefully that goes easy on this plastic, and hopefully also will cover a couple of those holes or take them out. Awesome. Okay, we'll cut it now. Do you remember? Oh no, I think we're good. I think that's good. You're recording?
Yeah.
So now you have to follow the body lines, and in step 4 it's good explained. You have to follow those body lines of the plastic of the golf cart, and then you tape it on as many corners as possible. I can see that here it's a little different. So I don't know if
I was
maybe
wondering if we can go that way.
Well, we can, but I don't know how it will.
Will it fit? Oh, I see what you mean.
We have to see that this one aligns. All right, we took the floor mat out. Now we have access here. So you can see they're holding in with clips. Some are missing, but underneath is the channel with wires, which we might have when I have access. And what came off as well up front is the front piece, which I don't even know which one it was connected to, but it gives us plenty of access to work on the wiring. As you can see, the old wiring is still in there. We'll figure that now out and get the new wiring in because we have plenty of access now. All right, I have to cut here because the wiring, as you saw, we were able to trace from the front all the way underneath. We led through, different plastic pieces, and we were able to just trace it somewhere underneath, go out underneath the frame, and then go back into the battery compartment. That's where we connected it, and that's where the 12-volt system is connected as well. So you need a converter from your 48-volt system to the 12-volt system. Link in the description below in case you need that. I have no video made on how to connect that because usually those golf carts come already with that converter or have kind of a 12-volt system included. So if you need any help with that, let me know. Then I need to make that video as well. But for this video, I didn't do that. But everything is connected. I also did not record, unfortunately, to how to install the light switch. I think I did record it, but somehow I lost that. Unfortunately, sorry about that. But it's pretty straightforward. You just connect it. It's the light switch basically, and you turn signal as well, which is pretty cool. So it makes it street legal. Keep that in mind. And also a horn is there included. All those kind of things all those kind of things I did record, but unfortunately, I don't know where it ended up. I'm sorry about that. But if you need any help with that specifically, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll re-record that part just to show you how it is connected, how it's traced down, and how cool this installation at the end is. But the main work, honestly, is the cutouts, and the wiring. That's, in my opinion, a main thing. And I showed you at least what you need to take out and how you get access. So I hope you enjoyed the video still, even though those pieces are missing. This is a great set, by the way. I do like the lights. It's very bright. It's LED, so that's pretty cool. It looks good. And if you have any questions, comment section below. Thanks for watching. Cheers!